For making this bookmark, take a piece of paper of any size. It depends on you. Now I'm pasting my washi tapes. Now I have pasted my washi tapes, so I'm just clearing its edges. Okay, so take a punch machine and make hole in the middle of the paper to tie a ribbon through it so that you can easily pull off from a diary or book. Now take a ribbon and tie it through the hole. So our cute bookmark is ready. Moving on, for the second DIY, take a paper, fold it into half. Now paste washi tapes forming a pyramid-like structure, or you can just follow the video if you haven't understood. There is no particular theme, so you can just paste the washi tapes of any color. So I'm just going to fast forward the video. So done. Now add some details and write happy birthday as it is a birthday card. Now make a glowing candle on the top of the cake. So it's done and ready to be gifted. It is a very simple but cute card. This is a very cool and interesting way to make your pencil look more attractive. So for this, wrap your washi tapes around your pencil or pen and your pencil would look so cute. Look at this, looks so colorful. For this, again take a paper, fold it into half, make a card, and this time you have to again paste washi tapes, one shorter than other, but this time paste them from the side. So it's done, and I wrote congratulations on it and pasted some punch flowers. It is a super cute way to thank your friend. For the last DIY, take any of your diary that you want to decorate. Paste washi tapes. I am not pasting washi tapes on my whole diary. I pasted them where I wanted. You can paste it as you prefer. So this DIY is done. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. And if you are not following me on Instagram, then follow me there as well. Bye bye.